Welcome to all BSc second year students of Fishery Science. Boys, you have well known that from this year your syllabus of BSc second year will be totally changed. New papers, paper 6 and paper 7, these are two papers. These are to be completely new papers. Last year's syllabus is to be not for studying. Hence, the new paper we have seen, we are studying in this academic year. Now, the last period, the first article of this paper 7th, Fish Developmental Biology, and paper 6th, Fish Disease Management. These two papers, these are to be completely new and changed. Remember that. That's why you have seriously attend the lectures, then study careful, and you have give the exams, that is test tutorials as well as the university exams. Now last period we have seen, that is Pisces or fishes, these are to be broadly divided depending upon the types of reproduction, which the fishes, these are to be divided in how many categories, how many types. Means based on reproduction, fishes are divided into three types, that is oviparous, viviparous and ovoviviparous. This is to be seen in last period. Now the next lecture, next period we have seen conducted today, and that next article is important article because name of the paper is Developmental Biology, and in this Developmental Biology second article, that is the gametogenesis in fishes. Gametogenesis in fishes we have studied today. We have know that gametes, it is the reproductive organ, it is the reproductive units, and this reproductive unit, these are to be take part in the reproduction, and new species, new offspring, these are to be formed, these are to be developed. Hence, this gametogenesis, these are to be important process. It is the important steps for the formation of the new species or the new organisms. Hence, this gametogenesis is important article, important point we have studied today. Gametogenesis, yes, gametogenesis. The development of any organism start with the formation of gametes. The development of any organism start with the formation of gametes. It is called as gametogenesis. The formation of gamete is termed or called. The formation of gametes is termed or called as gametogenesis in fishes or Pisces. What is called as gametogenesis formation? The formation of gametes is termed, the formation of gamete is called as gametogenesis. Formation of gametes, that may be male gametes or that may be female gamete. This process, formation of gamete process, is called as the gametogenesis in fishes. Gametogenesis in fishes. The production of gamete is called as gametogenesis. The production of gamete is called as gametogenesis. Gametes, again male gametes and female gametes. Male gamete and female gamete. The process, or it is also called as the process involved in the maturation. The process involved in the maturation of the two highly specialized cells. The process involved in the maturation of the two highly specialized cells, that is spermatozoon in male and ovum in the female, before they unite to form zygote. Is called as gametogenesis. What is the definition of gametogenesis? Remember, the process involved in the maturation of the two highly specialized cells. The process involved in the maturation of the two highly specialized cells. These cells are, one is the spermatozoon, which is to be formed in male, and second is the ovum or egg, which is to be formed in female. Before they unite to form zygote, before they unite to form a embryo or zygote, that process is called as the gametogenesis. That process is called as the gametogenesis, or the process of formation and development of gametes. The process of formation and development of gametes is called as gametogenesis. The process of formation and development of gamete is called as gametogenesis, or in earlier definition we have seen, that is the process involved in the maturation of the two highly specialized cells, spermatozoa in male and ovum in the female, before they unite to form zygote. That cell these are to be formed, that cell these are to be developed. These are called as the, or that process is called as the gametogenesis. Formation or the process of development, formation and development of gamete is called as the gametogenesis. Called as gametogenesis. Yes, we have seen this is the diagrammatic sketch which is to be reported, which is to be studied. Here is the spermatogenesis versus oogenesis. These two processes, that is gametogenesis is two processes. One is the male gamete spermatogenesis and second female gamete oogenesis. These two processes, these are to be different apart from each other. Formation of gamete, that is male gamete is called as sperm, here is the male gamete, and female gamete is called as ovum or egg. It is called as ovum or egg, that is female gamete. This process, gametogenesis process, these are to be performed three stages, three phases. One is the multiplication phase, second is the growth phase, and third is the differentiation phase or the reduction phase. Multiplication phase, first phase, these cells, these are to be diploid in number, these are to be diploid in chromosomes. These diploid cells, these are to be divided into diploid, that is multiplication. Growth, one diploid cell, these are to be in these cells growth is to be take place, and in this growth then these are to be formed the secondary development, and in this secondary development it is to be developed, and lastly that is the differentiation phase or the reduction phase. This phase, these are to be divide the gametes or divide the chromosome and form the a haploid set of chromosome and form the respective gamete, male gamete and female gamete, which is to be produced, which is to be formed. Hence the process is called as gametogenesis. Formation of gamete, that may be male gamete, that may be female gamete, but the process is called as the gametogenesis. Male gamete is called as sperm and female gamete is called as egg or ovum, and when these sperm and ovum unite to form a zygote, when fertilization takes place in between sperm and ovum, zygote or embryo, these are to be developed, and when this embryo, these are to be perfectly grow, then form the newly hatched animals or newly developed animal. These are to be formed, these are to be developed. It is called as development of the organisms or development of the animals, which is to be seen. Yes, the process of this gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is a biological process by which diploid or haploid precursor cells undergo cell division and differentiation to form mature haploid gametes. Depending on the biological life cycle of the organism, gametogenesis occur by meiotic division of diploid gametes into various gametes, or by mitosis. That process it is called as the gametogenesis. The process is called as the gametogenesis. What is meant by gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is a biological process. Remember, no doubt, that is gametogenesis is a biological process by which diploid or haploid precursor cells undergo cell division. these diploid or haploid cells, these diploid or haploid precursor cells undergo cell division and differentiation to form mature haploid gamete. To form mature haploid gametes, it is the process, biological process, that formation of gamete is called as gametogenesis. This process depending upon the biological life cycle. Gametogenesis, it is to be depending upon the biological life cycle of organisms. Biological life cycle of organisms. This gametogenesis occurs by meiotic division. Gametogenesis occurs by meiotic division of diploid gametes. Meiotic division of diploid gametes into various gametes or by mitosis. Means these diploid gamete, when these diploid gamete, these are to be divided by a meiosis and forms a haploid set of chromosomes, haploid set of gamete, and when such gamete these are to produce, when such gamete these are to be formed, that is male gamete and female gamete, complete this biological process, it is called as the gametogenesis. It is called as the gametogenesis, means depending on the biological life cycle of the organisms, biological life cycle of organisms, gametogenesis occurs by meiotic division of haploid gametes into various gametes or by mitosis. That process is called as the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis, or it occurs in the gonads. Gametogenesis occurs in the gonads. Gametes are of two types, namely spermatozoa and eggs. Gametogenesis, where it is to be occur? Gametogenesis, it is to be occurs in gonads, and gonads are two types. Gametes are of two types, two different types of gonads, that is male gonads and female gonad. Male gonad is called as testes and female gonad is called as ovaries. Gametes are of two types, namely spermatozoa and eggs. From testes, spermatozoa these are to produce, and from ovary, egg these are to produce. This production of spermatozoa is called as spermatogenesis. The production, the formation of biological process of spermatozoa is called as spermatogenesis. It is takes place in the testes, and the production of egg or ovum is called as oogenesis. The production and formation of eggs or ovum from the ovary, it is called as oogenesis, and oogenesis occurs in the ovary, means ovary and testes. These are the two types of gonads, male gonad and female gonad, and in this gonad, gamete formation, when animal become mature, when animal become completely mature, then these mature animal, they can produce the gametes. Male animal produce the male gamete, female animal produce the female gamete, and when these two gametes, these are to be unite to form a zygote or embryo, and this, when these are to be fertilization takes place inside the animal's body or outside the animal's body, that is maybe external fertilization or internal fertilization, and then embryo these are to be formed, zygote these are to be formed, and from this zygote or from this embryo, new offspring, new juveniles or new offspring these are to form, and this new offspring is nothing but like that of their parents there, that is mother or parents. That is, hence the process is called as the formation of gametes in male, that is spermatogenesis, formation of gametes in female, that is called as oogenesis, or formation of egg in ovary, it is called as oogenesis, and formation of sperm in testes in male, it is called as spermatogenesis. And both these two processes, male gamete and female gamete, formation of these two gametes, it is called as the gametogenesis, and this gametogenesis is the important process in the life of animal. Without this process, animal, they do not multiply, they do not maintain their races or offspring. Hence, this gametogenesis is the important process, important steps which is to be involved in the reproduction, which is to be involved in the formation and development of animals or organisms. Yes, see, this is the diagrammatic sketch which is seen here. In this first spermatogenesis takes place in the testes of male animal. Spermatogenesis, again it is to be formed three. First is the multiplication phase, second is the growth phase, and third is the differentiation or the reduction phase. First diploid, then diploid, and then haploid. From one sperm mother cell, spermatogonium, 4 sperm these are to produce, 4 sperm these are to form, and from sperm mother cell to formation of sperm, it is called as spermatogenesis. It is the formation of male gamete, and second is the spermatogenesis. Yes, for one cell 4 sperm these are to produce. This process is called as spermatogenesis, and which is to takes place in the male's body inside the testes. Hence it is called as male gamete spermatozoa. Second, that is oogenesis. Second is the oogenesis. Yes, second is the called as oogenesis, and this oogenesis these are to be in which it is to be takes place inside the ovary of female's body, and this again oogenesis from first egg mother cell produce only one egg, again with a multiplication phase, growth phase, and then reduction phase. With this one egg mother cell, one ovum, one egg is to produce, and that process is called as oogenesis. We have detailed study both spermatogenesis and oogenesis in next part, but here we have only seen what is meant by gametogenesis, formation of gamete from respective part. Male body produce male gamete, female body produce female gamete, and that process is called as the gametogenesis. Formation of gamete is called as gametogenesis, and this process is to be important in the development. This is the oogenesis from the egg mother cell. Ovum or egg is to produce, which is to be haploid in set of the chromosomes, whereas egg mother cell is to be diploid set of chromosomes, diploid to haploid. One egg or one ovum is to produce. That process is called as oogenesis, and this complete formation of ovum or egg inside the ovary of the female body, it is called as oogenesis or the gametogenesis, formation of gametes from the reproductive part, reproductive organ, and this gametogenesis is to be important in the development of the fish, development of the animal's body. With this we have in short see that is the what is meant by gametogenesis, what is meant by gametogenesis. With this in short, a short article, because next part we have seen that is oogenesis and spermatogenesis. These two parts are more, hence it is to be for long time required. Hence we have taken in short time a short article, gametogenesis. With this we have seen complete the first introduction or introductory part, gametogenesis of fishes or gametogenesis of that is aquatic fish, how male gamete and female gamete produce. Then we have seen next part, oogenesis, in next lecture. Thank you all of you.